Good morning. Alright guys, this is going to be a project share video. Matter of fact, I have a couple videos, so I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible. I'm going to pause it a couple times just to get set up. And I'm going to show you some of the things that were used. Maybe not all, but majority of everything that was used for my projects. And this is what I call my suitcase embellishment boxes. I love how you guys were making embellishment boxes. So I just wanted to make a couple for my projects and just to share with you guys. So let's get started. Let me show you the main dies that I made the suitcase from. I love this die. I purchased this die from a D-stash, and it came with two. And with this one, you actually need the bigger machine for. And this is my Pro die. See, it's so big you can't even put it into view. I use this, and you get two. You get the top and the bottom. I also use this one. I had this in my stash for so long, so I wanted to start using my acetate, and I love these sheets. So and I usually just use whatever I need, chop it up and put it right back in here so I can keep this together. So, and I had this in my stash for I don't know how many years. And again, I look at things too pretty to use, but not anymore. Now with my Queen and Company, believe it or not, I did all my shakers that I just recently purchased. And I'm going to keep these to recycle these. You know, I can use these for different projects. So, and I use majority everything with my shakers. And believe it or not, I use some of these. I had this in my stash for I don't know how many, maybe 3 expos ago or 4, I don't know. But again, this was, I had to open this. So I did use some, so I'm going to start using whatever I have in my stash. Now this was a recent, not a recent, was it a recent? Maybe last year. A D-stash from Facebook. So I used that for my boxes, my suitcase boxes. And this I think is a recent purchase. This is just a tag, big die. And I used a variety of the different tags here, so I did use this. And I did use, sorry for the glare, the bow die. And I love it because it comes in a different variety of bows. I'm sorry what you can't see, but I think everyone has that bow die. What else did I use? This is where I usually keep my extra colors. This is like all purple. So I keep my colors in separate in these type of pockets, and I just pull them out. And the pockets is what was mainly used for my shakers, because again, you only need bits and pieces, so I didn't want to cut a full sheet of clean paper. And I think that was it that was mainly used. I'm not going to show these on my next couple of videos, so I am going to split the videos up. So, and I will let people know they can always go back to the first video to see everything that I use for the luggage boxes. And see, here is my first sample. And other things that I use for this particular, the samples that I use for this, I did use the Queen and Company, which I already shared this, the special delivery. I also use the summer kit, Say Goodbye to Summer. And I also use Stamps of Life, the Sandcastle. Now this was ordered off HSN. So I think I have just one more item from HSN that was on back order, and that's the carousel. It's supposed to be coming in today, so I can't wait till that come in. So these are the 2 kits that I use. And again, you can look at on my prior video to see everything that's included in these kits. And again, I did use majority of all the shakers with the kits. So let me show you the first one. Here's my first box. And I love this box. I put holes in the front, and I kept the back plain. Put holes in the back. Here's the side of the box. These are familiar flowers. They're from Hobby Lobby. And I just decorated both sides. This trim is also from Hobby Lobby. This is what I'm going to use for my Mulan up-and-coming Disney projects. And I just added some, again, these are from Hobby Lobby, the couple of months when they had the bling sale. And this is my Coin and Company stamp that just recently purchased. And I took out those letters that I had. I have so many letters, so let me use it. That's from that prior, also, Hobby Lobby sale. Along with that, and along with these flowers too. I love those flowers, and I use those. So let me show. And the tag. Here's the tag. And that type of twine. I forgot what it's called. And I didn't use a closure for this, which I should have, but I think this one's good. Some of the ones that are more bulky, I should have used the closure. But let me show you, let me set it up so I can show you everything that was created. So hold on. Okay, I'm back now. And these are the items. These are the items that I created. And I had so much fun with this kit. Kits, correction. This is a combination. This is a combination of the Sandcastle. And also Coin and Company Summer. And I did not glue. Look at the eyes. If you have a whole bunch of these eyes, I think I got these from Michael's and also Dollar Tree. And I love the one with the lashes. So again, I keep on buying these and not use them. So this is what this is not glued down. I did not embellish. Well, you could say these are almost finished. If you want to always add something when it's time for you to add them to your projects, you can. So I doubt if these are finished because, you know, I always like to add my Nouveau dots in the front or some bling. So I guess once I determine what project I want to use this on, then I can, you know, see if it's finished or it needs more. But this was super cute. I might do something like that in the future. And again, I'm going to keep everything in here. So when I think of a project, I can just pull them out and finish up the project. So that's my goal, is to just get, once things come in, sample it, play around with it, and then see what it could be used for. So, and I love this. I kept the sandals in one direction. I didn't want to flip it. So again, you can always flip it around this way. The only thing too, I want to, maybe Black Friday, get the outline, the shadow die, I guess you can call it, so I can have a full set. So majority of these were out of stock, so maybe by Black Friday they will have it in. So I say, and I also love this. I added the Coin and Company tree onto the Stamps of Life Sandcastle, and even with this, you can make this also a shaker, or the top of shaker. So, and you can add that to your, I did not make this out of a card. This is actually a flip-it card. I just kept it plain. So you can make these out of cards and just set them out. So that might be my next goal. So I just wanted to make a project for my goodbye this summer. I'm going to miss it. So, and this project was super fun. So again, I just pulled out my extra little pieces that I had on hand for so long. So I want to start getting those down. So this was a fun project. So I did have some fun creating the shakers. And again, I had so many shaker bits. I was going to think about getting some more shaker bits, but I was like, no, not right now. Wait until I get my shaker bits down. So again, I just showed you guys this that I forgot I had and I wasn't using it. So this is my first project share. Let me set up for a special delivery. All right, guys. This is going to be my special delivery embellishment suitcase box, and this is what I created. Again, I took out that acetate, I have buttons on hand, again with my letters. I'm starting to use them. Flowers I had, flowers I made. Those are from the dies, the Hobby Lobby dies. On the top, pull out those blains. The flower, I think this is from actually the Dollar Zone, I think. Back is plain. I just added the suitcase edges on from a prior Queen and Company die, and the tag. And I made my own handle. So I love that pro die. So let me show you what I created. Now these are my creation from the special delivery. Some of them came off. Let me just add it back on. Hold on for 1 second. Okay, let me just move it so it could be in the view. And again, I used up all my shakers. I still have some other kits that I purchased from the Scrapbook Expo that I still need to use. And again, that was from at least three years ago, and I'm still looking at it. So I might go through those too. So I used up all my shaker bits, my shaker foams. So now I'll be able to create some more. So again, this is my special delivery kit. And I love these cards. And some of them are a combination of Christmas. Some are just fall. This one doesn't shake. I used this regular foam. I should have lifted it up a little more, but it's still cute. This one's cute. This one shakes slightly, but still, super cute. I love the colors. I love this paper. This was, did I get that from the Scrap Expo? Or did I get that from Tuesday morning when it was open? But I love that paper pack. I still have a couple of 12 by 12. This is the only sheet, because I love the paper pack, besides the suitcase boxes that I use 12 by 12 paper. But I kept all those little pieces together, so I want to use those up. And I love this design. This one's another cute one too. I love the glitter with this plaid paper. Now look at this one. This one's cute too. This one's another cute one. This one shakes slightly, but cute. My animal print paper. I had little bits and pieces of this in my white that I wanted to use up, so I just combined it with the glitter paper. So again, if you got those little bits and pieces of paper that you're holding on to and don't know what to do with it, just put it in a pocket, and keep it so when you need it, instead of going to an 8.5 by 11 or 12 by 12, you have it. These are super cute. So this is my special delivery. If you need to zoom in to see everything closer, you can. I just don't want to make the video too long. You guys start falling asleep and getting bored on me, so I'm trying to make these as short as possible. And I think I showcased mostly all of them. I think I did all of them, really. This one's cute too. And let me show you. I think this one I didn't show. This one, everything is from the glue probably stuck, but it still came out cute. So this is my special delivery. Stay tuned. I'm going to keep it at 15 minutes. So stay tuned for 2 more. Maybe I can add on 1 more. It's not actually a Queen and Company project. Let me show you 1 more before I end this video. Hold on. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm going to change my mind. I'm going to end this video and continue with another video. So this one's at 15, so I'm going to keep each video at least 15 minutes. So again, thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye-bye.